Hello everyone and welcome. Into this video we're going to be looking at how to change company email address on Intuit QuickBooks. We want to change our email address, so don't forget to log in there. You know how to log into it. Put in quickbook.intuit.com and then you log in with your credentials and to bring it to the home page. And now right here we want to change our company email. Let's say we've changed our email address. Let's say my company Richmond Books has changed email address. I want to change it on the QuickBook. So what do? Just click on the company name to open up your accountant settings option, and then you can see contact information, company email. Then click on the pencil icon next to it and you can now change the company email to a new one. Let's say my company email is Richmond Books. Let's say it's richbooks@email.com. So that's it. And once you're through with that, you can also decide to change customer facing email. This is where your customers can contact you. It is shown on the sales form. So if it's the same as your company email, just leave this check. If it's not, uncheck it and then put in the one that you want to use. So that is all for that. Next, click on save, and to save, next you click on done. And it's as simple as that. We have been able to change our company email. So do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.